Brace yourself as a single human sneeze can launch thousands of droplets across 6 meters in an instant. Researchers show that sneeze droplets form a fast-moving cloud that can fill a room in seconds. In the body, tiny hairs in the nose called cilia work like bouncers, pushing particles outward to keep you healthy. Space scientists discovered microgravity changes how blood and fluids distribute, reshaping how astronauts sleep and move. So next time you sneeze, remember your body's tiny defenses and the universe getting your tiny moments of awe. What other everyday events secretly reveal the universe's hidden rules?